Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
Don't bother. Don't stoop to his level. Don't mention it. Do you know how to use these everyday English phrases? Let's learn 10 interesting expressions, starting with the word don't. I'll tell you what they mean and give you examples of when to use them. Want to remember these phrases better and test yourself with the quiz? Download the free PDF of this lesson so you can review everything and see if you've really learned when to use each one. Just click on the link in the video description to get that free PDF download. We'll start with phrase number 1. Don't be so hard on yourself. This means don't feel so bad about something you regret. Let's imagine your classmate failed a test. He's very sad about it, and he constantly talks about how stupid he is and how he should have studied more. You want to tell him not to be sad about that mistake he made, so you say, don't be so hard on yourself. Phrase number 2, don't get your hopes up. You're telling someone not to have high expectations because it probably won't happen. Like if your friend bought a lottery ticket and believes she will definitely win. She's talking about all the new cars and houses she will buy with the $10 million. You want to tell her not to be so excited about something that is not certain to happen, so you say, don't get your hopes up. Number 3, don't mention it. This is another way to say you're welcome, especially when someone is thanking you for a favor. For example, you helped your friend move from one apartment to another, and he says, thank you. You want to say it was no problem for you to help, so you say, don't mention it. Number 4, don't leave it to the last minute. Let's say your son has a big science project for school, but he hasn't started working on it yet. He says he has lots of time because it's due in 3 months. You want to tell him to be careful not to wait until the last day to finish the project, so you say, don't leave it to the last minute. Number 5, don't knock it till you've tried it. This means don't criticize it until you have tried or experienced it. For example, if someone is talking about sushi and saying it's so gross, but they have never actually eaten sushi, you could respond, hey, don't knock it till you've tried it, telling them to stop making negative comments because they have not tasted it yet, so they don't really know if they'd enjoy it or not. Number 6, don't bother. Imagine the internet is not working in your house. Your mother says she will restart the computer, but you've already restarted the computer 3 times and it didn't work. You want to tell your mother not to do something that will have no result, so you say, don't bother. Number 7, don't worry about a thing. Let's say you and your wife have just come home from the hospital with a new baby, and she is very tired from taking care of the baby. You want to tell her that you will do everything and she can relax. So you say, don't worry about a thing. I'll cook dinner and clean the house. Number 8, don't take it out on me. You're telling someone not to treat you badly for something that's not your fault. Imagine your best friend had a bad day at work and she is being unfriendly to you. You want to tell her not to be angry or frustrated with you because of her bad day. So you say, don't take it out on me. Number 9, don't jump to conclusions. For example, your friend suspects her husband has another lover because she has seen him having lunch with another woman. You want to tell her not to believe her husband is cheating before she knows all the facts. So you say, don't jump to conclusions. Number 10, don't stoop to his or her level. This means don't do bad things like that person. For example, your sister's colleague has been saying bad things about her at work. For revenge, your sister has begun to say bad things about him too. You want to tell her not to go down to the same level of bad behavior, so you say, don't stoop to his level. Which expression was your favorite? If you think you know these phrases well, go ahead and download the PDF and quiz to test yourself. And if you want to learn more everyday English, more phrases that native English speakers use in daily life and conversation, check out my Everyday English Speaking courses. These are some of my most popular courses because they teach you phrases in context, so you can really see exactly how we use them. When you learn real phrases, then you can speak English more confidently, knowing that you're expressing yourself in a natural way. Visit espressoenglish.net or click on the link in the description to join the Everyday English Speaking courses and get started.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.